Every flower starts with a simple beginning. Just like this drawing began with a few soft pencil lines. It doesn't look special at first, but that's how all beautiful things start, quietly, gently, and with patience. As I add each layer of color, I'm reminded of how our lives also gain depth one step at a time. Some days feel dull, some days feel messy, but every shade, every mistake, every correction, they all become a part of our story. Look at these petals take shape. They didn't bloom in a moment. They bloom through small, steady progress. And that's exactly how dreams grow too. Little efforts, repeated daily, create something truly beautiful. So if today feels slow, if your journey seems unclear, remember this flower. It never rushed. It never compared itself. It simply kept growing, quietly and confidently. Whatever you're working toward, keep going. Add your colors, add your light, add your courage. Because one day, just like this flower, you'll look back and realize you didn't just grow, you bloomed. So keep going, keep growing, because one day, you won't just rise, you'll bloom.